Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Brittany, and I'm head of community at SO. So, you're ready for your first credit card, and you're wondering how to use it. Opening your first credit card can be exciting, but it can also be a little intimidating. The good news is, if you are able to manage your credit card well, you can build your credit score, which can be crucial for purchases like buying a car or a house. Your first credit card can also help you build credit history, and you may pick up some positive financial habits along the way. Here are 5 tips you may want to keep in mind when using your first credit card. 1. Get to know your card. Start by learning the basics about your credit card. Does it offer perks or rewards? Credit card protection in case of an emergency like falling ill or losing your income. What's your statement date, your due date, and your reporting date? Your statement shows what you owe. Your due date is when payment is required, and the reporting date is usually a few days later. That's when your information gets shared with the credit bureaus. Knowing these dates helps you plan how you use and pay your card. 2. Build a simple strategy. Use your card with purpose. Guidance suggests aiming to use no more than 30% of your limit, but many people try to keep it lower. For example, if you have a $100 limit, staying around $30 or less may help. I like to charge small fixed expenses I already plan to pay, like a streaming service or your phone bill. That way, you're building a history of responsible use without overspending. 3. Schedule your payments. Once you know your due date and how you plan to use your card, the next step is to understand how payments and reporting might work. Many credit card issuers report balances to the 3 credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, around the time your statement is generated. In other cases, reporting can be triggered by specific events, such as when a payment is processed. Because reporting practices can vary, it's helpful to contact your card issuer and ask when they typically share information with the bureaus. Knowing this timing can help you manage your payment strategy, whether that means being aware of when your balance is most likely to report or understanding when updates may appear on your credit reports. We'll explore the differences between cycle-based and event-based reporting more deeply in another video. 4. Monitor your accounts regularly. Check your credit card statements each month to track your spending and spot any mistakes, like double charges or transactions you didn't make. It's also helpful to check your credit reports to see how your usage is showing up with the bureaus. Staying on top of both can help you feel more in control of your credit. 5. Consider paying off your balance in full when you can. Paying your balance in full by the due date helps you avoid interest charges and keeps your utilization low, both important for building credit. If you can't pay it off, at least make the minimum required payment to avoid late fees and negative marks on your report. Look for financial education. Asking for help can be challenging, especially when it comes to money, which can be a taboo topic. But financial education resources such as educational materials like this and workshops can help you understand credit a little better. Look into free financial services that provide education about credit. Also, stay informed about your credit report by pulling your free credit report at annualcreditreport.com. And most importantly, find what tools work best for you: podcasts, books, or YouTube. That's what I used when I had credit problems. Just make sure to verify any credit education sources are from reputable financial institutions, government websites, or accredited financial experts. Using your first credit card to your advantage can set you up for a strong financial future. Remember, it's best practice to budget, pay on time, and keep your spending in check. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more credit tips. See you next time.